Ops 30. Desktop 1. Input.
Hi, this is Code Beyond Sight YouTube channel. Today I will teach about um, input and output methods in Python programming language. So first you listen these details or
Node
informations.
net. User input and output in Python 1. Print used to display text or results on the screen. Example. Print hello cloud. 2. Input used to ask the user for information. Example. Name input. What is your name? 3. Input always returns data as text. String. If you want numbers, you need to convert later. 4. Together, print and input help us create interactive programs.
Okay, got it. Let's move on. Write the code. Uh, First of all,
Line feed.
what is print statement or output statement or output method? This all is same. This The keyword we use for output is print keyword. Like you can see the print keyword. Print
Print selected.
this print keyword.
Space
So
blank. Print on.
this keyword using for show the data or information in on your screen, computer screen. For example, I am create.
N.
Let's
Suggest list. Not
create
local. Keyword A. And E. Level 1
create
equals. Input output. Pi editor as auto.
name.
Quote.
Name is
J.
J
O. H. N.
John.
Blank. Error. N. Error.
This is interpretation
Space.
error.
Blank.
Name. Okay.
Node net name John.
This variable, the name
Name selected.
variable contain the name of John. Okay. So
Line feed.
I would you like show the I or see that data. What is contain the name of name of variable. So just I
E. Suggest R. Is
print
I. Print N. E. Print function.
just I print
Left parent. Values. N. A. M. E.
name. Okay.
Input output. Pi editor. Line feed.
Save. After I click
Terminal 1.
Control
PowerShell.
plus
Use Alt
J.
F1 for terminal
The
accessibility. Help edit blank.
terminal is show. After
P.
type
P. P. Y. T. H. O. N. Hyphen. Space. Space. P. Y. T. H. O. N. Python. Space.
Python space I
I.
N,
N.
enter the tab.
In. Python input output pi.
The full file name is comes. Okay. After enter
John PSC. Users at one
John.
drive documents.
The
use
John
Py-
is print. The variable contain John name. So after we will the name is show on the terminal. So the
Main
another
landmark, input out-
example. For example, next I
P. R. Print I. N. E. Print left parent. Values. Object. Prints the values to a stream or
print,
quote. H. H.
print
P. Y. T. H. O. N. Python. Space. S. Is. Space.
Python is
V. E. R. Y. Very. E. A.
see
S. Y.
this
Lang.
the
Right quote Y.
the print state method has
S. A. E. Y. Very.
the Python is very easy. This content
Lang.
the Python the print method has Python is very easy. This string. So again click again press Control J.
Terminal 1.
The
PowerShell. Use
terminal
Alt
is
F1 for
calm.
terminal accessibility. Help edit Lang.
Click up arrow in keyboard.
Lang. Python input output pi.
The Python input output pi. This again I run that.
John Python is very easy. PSC. Users at OneDrive documents. YouTube. Python.
Okay.
Python test.
The string is print in the terminal. The Python is very easy. Okay. Next section.
Main
So
landmark. Input.
you so we will understand. We should understand like the print statement only when uh, when we want to see the data or information inside the variable, then use the print statement easily see the easily see that information on your computer. So next section, like output, this is input. Next,
Line feed.
output. For example,
A. Suggest list and warning. Input output PyEditor as autocomplete multi-line blank.
age,
A. D. E. E
age,
equals.
age,
I. Sub N. N. Keyword. Error. E. U. T. Left. Quote. E. F. E. E. Enter. T. E. Space. A. D. E. H. Space.
enter the
Colon.
age. The input keyword, or input method using for when we want to collect the information from user, then using this keyword. For example, I am
Equals.
I'm create the age variable equal to input of enter the age. This is this means we will get the information from user.
Line feed.
Again, I
E.
print the
R. T.
age.
Left parent. Quote. A. D. E. Right parent.
Age.
Comma. Quote. Colon. Right parent.
Age.
A. D. E. E. Input
Age.
output.
Again, Control plus J.
Terminal 1. PowerShell use Alt F1 for EAR. Clear.
Clear.
Use the access blank.
Again,
Blank. Clear. Terminal 1. Python use Alt F1 for terminal accessibility help. John Python is very easy. Enter the
Okay, you can see the enter the age is appear in the terminal. So I am enter the 23.
2. 3. 23. Age. 23 PSC. Users at OneDrive document.
First the print statement is appear enter the age. So then is enter the age 23. After the age is print. That means the enter the age, the statement is input statement, the age is a output statement. So that's all. This is very simple concept. When you want to any data information, use the input keyword method. When is see the output or show the information to others, use the print section or print method.
Land.
The small
P. Main
the
landmark.
small
Input out.
the small concept is available. For example, I
E.
print
R. I. Level. Left
print
parent. Value.
type.
T. Y. E.
Print
E.
the type.
E. Left parent. O. R.
Age.
A. G. E. And suggest list. Age. Variable. Input output PyEditor as auto.
I print that what data type is set in the age.
Age selected. Age.
Okay. Again,
Terminal 1. Power C. EAR. Clear. Use the
Run.
land. Terminal 1. Python use Alt F5. 5. Terminal 1.
you can see the class type is string. That means the age
Okay.
is integer. This age is not integer. The age is string.
PSC. Users a class str.
You can hear the class str. That means the age variable contain the string data type information. So if you want to integer type information, just
Main landmark. Input out. Print. Type.
add some input method like
A.
age,
Suggest E. E. E equals input output I. Suggest N. I. T.
This
Indentation.
is called in constructor. Like the to convert the integer. That means that's all.
Left parent.
Int of
Input output PyEditor as autocomplete multi-line age init. Left parent. Warn T. Warn I.
int.
T. Suggest list. Int. Input output PyEditor as
mistake. I did the spelling
right parent.
mistake. Okay. Int of
I. Suggest list. Int. Class left input I. N. E. Suggest list. Input function. Input output PyEditor at left parent. Prompt.
Input
Object.
of
Read a string. Quote. E. F. E. R. F.
the
E. Space. A. G. E. H. Space.
enter the age
Lang.
after a print
E. R. T. Space. Input. Space. Left parent. A. G. E.
age
Input out.
print
E
of
left parent
after
values
enter
quote
type
E Y E
type
E
of
left parent
age.
E input output PyEditor as auto
Okay, I convert the string to uh, integer. Initially I initially convert the string to integer. You can again you see the code. The code
age
you see
selected
the code.
print age int input enter the age
Age
equals a
age is a variable
equals
equals
int
int. This is convert string to convert.
left parent input
Input is like input method.
enter
The input method inside write
age.
the enter the age string. So when you run this code, the code is get the data string data after convert to store the in age variable. Okay,
line feed
again let's run
terminal
the
1 CEAR clear use lang PSC users against
Python
OneDrive
code.
documents terminal 1 Python use alt F1 for terminal accessibility help John Python is very easy enter the age
Enter the age. It is say enter the age. I am give
4
44
44 age 44 class str enter the age
and the 44 age. This is the first input. This is string type. After I enter the 23.
2 3
This is second type of like this input field has converter, integer converter. We add the integer converter in this code. So enter.
23 terminal 1 PowerShell
You can see or click
file terminal
Alt F to accessibly move
PSC users class int
class int
23
you can see the input field get the 23 value after convert to store the age variable. After printer the 23 is show and the age data type is int like integer. So this is input output section. If you have any doubts and clarification, please write the comments. I will definitely I will definitely help to you. Okay, bye. Let's I see next video. Bye.
desktop 2 Mac settings start stop recording